What's up, guys? I'm here at Abandoned Woods State Forest. Today I'm trying to do the adventure hiking trail in a day. Everything online says it's one of the more difficult trails in Indiana, so I didn't bring a tent, so I'm definitely doing it today, but I'd like to finish before dark. So I woke up about 6, drove 2 hours to get here. That leaves me less than 9 hours of daylight. So I'm gonna have to run at least some of it. Ugh. Ow, thorns. I don't know, see how it goes. Okay, so just made my first wrong turn, which cost me some time. I went about a mile down the wrong trail. I had to turn around and run back. Problem is, there's a lot of intersecting horse trails and a lot of blowdown that happened over the winter, I guess. So it's pretty easy to hide where I'm supposed to go. So I found a tip for staying on the trail. You just follow the trail markers. I hope this doesn't break. So I'm pretty sure they call it the adventure hiking trail, just so they don't have to do trail maintenance, because it's literally climbing over blowdown after blowdown. So I was afraid this would happen. I saw online where a few people talked about part of the trail being closed and rerouted due to logging. So now I have to take this overgrown horse trail, I don't know how far, to meet back up on the other side of the closure. So I don't know how much farther I have to go for the day. I did get lost twice trying to get around some of these overgrown areas. That burned about an hour and a half. So it's looking more and more likely that I will not finish before dark. I'm finally back on the actual adventure hiking trail. I got about halfway through the reroute. After all the horse trails, of course, somebody rips all the signs down for the detour. So I was stuck using my phone to piece together random trails that I could find in Gaia to sort of get me back to this point on the trail. And I actually ran into 3 different groups of people, all with the same problem, standing in the woods with their phones out, looking for how to get back on trail. So we sort of helped each other out. And I don't want to jinx it, but I think I might actually be able to finish this before dark. Okay, so I did it. It is 4:25 and I'm back at the car. So I beat sundown by about an hour. It's pretty cool. I don't really know how far I went. I'll have to map it out. Maybe I'll see what my watch says I went. I don't know. Overall, I give that trail 2 gold stars out of 5. I just would not recommend this trail, and I probably will not be back.